So someone asked me, how did I survive a decade in
Turn
prison?
right onto the Arizona 101 Loop North ramp.
And honestly, I survived it by educating myself. Literally.
In a quarter mile, merge onto Arizona 101 Loop North.
I kept goals to accomplish. I kept programs I was into to educate myself. I kept a goal, a purpose of what I was doing, and I knew in my mind I had to come to peace with the fact that I had to do 10 years. Like, it wasn't nowhere around it. So I'm like, damn, I got to do this time regardless. So I might as well utilize it and learn all I can learn, so that way I can be a better person and be able to make my own money once I got out, and I wasn't just, a slave to the system, so to speak. So I kept goals, man. I mean, if you name it, I did it. If it was a program I could get into to get some education, and it probably didn't take no time off my sentence, but I was able to get some education. And some things I did that did take took a couple days off or whatnot. But to be honest with you, man, I just had to keep a goal. Like, that I knew that one day I wanted to be doing what I'm doing now, as far as like being free, traveling, making my own money, just living life, you know what I mean? Not stressed out about nothing and, wanting to go on one or nothing like that, so I survived that decade, man, in prison, man, by having a vision within myself on where I wanted to see myself. Now, the first few years that I was incarcerated, I mean, I got in trouble, man. Like, any adolescent kid, you know what I mean? You go through them phases where you think you got something to prove, and you want to have your chest out, and you got to do what you got to do, you know what I mean? So I've been on both sides of the fence, man. But to be honest with you, and being free, I'm having to do the same thing to stay focused and keep myself out of depression, and to have a goal, to have a vision. And man, sometimes you knock on the door, and it seems like nobody's never coming. You know what I'm saying? You're like, damn, but you ain't got no other door to knock. You only got this one door. Somebody's back there. You don't know if they doing something, if the music loud, you can't hear it. All you know is ain't nobody coming to this door. But eventually, you keep knocking, the door open. And you just got to have a vision within yourself on what you want and what you're willing to do to get there. That's the main thing, because a lot of people want a lot of stuff, but they don't want to sacrifice nothing. They don't want to sacrifice nothing to get there. They just want it. I want this, I want that, I want this. But what you going to do to get it? You know what I mean? Besides saying you want it, and besides of asking somebody for a handout, you know what I mean? What about networking and using your earned income, your sweat, your hard work to get to where you're trying to get to? That's what I had to learn, man. I have messed up so much money trying to look good for somebody else. People I didn't like, but I want to look good for them, though. When they see me, I got to be like, yeah, Joe Shannon over there on them. You know what I'm saying? But I don't even talk to this dude, you know what I mean? But I want him to know that I'm doing good. They don't even mean shit, you know what I mean? The shit we do, being blind. But, I know better now, So to anybody else that's going through something and needs some encouragement, man, I would say find out what you really want within yourself and make your mind up. And that's going to be the real hardest thing out of it all is to make your mind up, to like say, damn, what do I really want to do? Do I just want to eat off somebody's hand? Do I just want to hand out? Do I want to start a business? Do I just want to work for somebody? Do I just want to travel? Do I just want to get some side money? Do I want to hold a sign and just say, fuck it? You know what I mean? Somebody throw me something and live like that. But you got to make up your mind. They say a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. So you can't have a double mind and think you're going to get anywhere. So make your mind up. This is what you're gonna do, and do it. You know, I always say a real person will swear to their own hurt, and they won't change because they gave you their word. So that's what you got to do to yourself. Give yourself your word that you're gonna do it. Give yourself your word. You're gonna turn over a new leaf. You're gonna open up a new door. You're gonna grind hard. You're gonna learn something new. You know, and go from there, man. But remember this though: keep a goal in mind. Keep a goal in mind. Keep a vision. Know who you are. Know what you can and what you can't do. So there's no reason to blow smoke up your own ass. You know what I mean? You know what you can do, and you know what you can't do, and utilize that and maximize it to your full potential and win. And just remember, man, a double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. Hold on.